Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Volvo XC60. This is a 2019. I'm just going to show you how you could replace your air filter. I'm not replacing the air filter on this particular one, but I'm going to check it and I'll show you how you can access it. Fairly easy one. Obviously get your bonnet open. There is a lever on the driver's side that you can pull. It releases the bonnet, and then you have to flick this little thing here to release the bonnet and get it up. Once you do that, if you come here, under this box is the air filter. So I used a T25 Torx bit to release all these screws, which are Torx screws. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Once you open the 6 screws, you'll be able to lift this cover up. And once you're able to lift that cover up, you're able to remove the filter. So I'll just lock this up here. So here's my filter. It's not tremendously dirty, it's not too bad. It has been replaced not too long ago. And this is a Bosch filter. Bosch F026 400 567. So obviously you get your new filter and you just fit it back in there. So as I said, not particularly a difficult one to do. It's fairly simple. And just lock it, make sure all the screws match, and then you can retighten your screws. Note that I do it very gently because these screws are just going into plastic. And if you over tighten them, you will damage the plastic, and then they just go round and they don't really secure. So that's pretty much it, really. It's a fairly simple one. So I hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.